Generally, in the manual procedure, balance sheet will prepare at the end of the year. But by using Tally, you can submit balance sheet on a daily basis to the owner to take everyday decisions, daily analysis. This is the importance. That's why we need to understand the softwares. Why? To speed up the process, to save time. How much time computer is saved? By learning Tally or learning Zoho Books or QuickBooks, how much time it's saving? It's saving 1 year of your time. What is the advantage? Timely reports. An accurate report. 2 plus 2 is equals to, I got a girlfriend phone, 5 o'clock tomorrow we meet, then everything is by 5 o'clock because I am making long tenure friends. So everywhere 5, 5, 5, there is a chance of 2 plus 2 is equals to 5. For computer, no feelings. It will give, that is the advantage to avoid the clerical errors. This is one advantage of using the Tally. First advantage is speed up the process. How much speed? 1 year of time. Second time is accurate reports. Accurate reports. And third one is very important is storage. Using the software, you can save multiple years of data in this small laptop. No need to maintain stores to keep the records. Now, as per the government rules, we need to maintain the records for 7 years. For that purpose, you need to have a stores, you need to have a storekeeper, and there is a chance of damaging the data and spoiling the data. There is a risk factor. That's why the government also saying to digitalize your process, use an ERPs mandate enough for the business. That's why there is a huge demand for these small ERPs.